Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I discuss about important topics, that is how to disable Windows automatic updates on Windows 10 permanently. When we are working, suddenly Windows update come. That is very irritating. To disable Windows automatic update, you need to follow two simple steps and it would be disabled permanently. In this run toolbar, you have to write services.msc and then press OK. As you can see, some files are appear here, so you need to go to a specific file that is called Windows. You have to find Windows Update. Just right click on it and then click on Properties option, and in a startup type bar you need to select Disabled, then Apply, then OK. For a stop automatic update, you need to follow another step. Okay, for second step you have to open run bar, and here you need to type res edit and then press OK. You have to click on yes. Here you need to select H key local machine, and in the drop down menu you need to click on software. In software subfolder you need to find policies. Here's policies folder is open, and you need to go on Microsoft. In Microsoft folder you need to click on Windows. In Windows option you need to select it and then right click new key. Here you need to rename this. Just write Windows Update. Windows Update. Windows Update. WINDOWSUPDAAT. Don't give any space here, and then just right click on it and new select key option. Here's you need to rename it AU, just AU, nothing else. Okay, then hit enter or click on anywhere. Click on this white space, right click, new, select the word 32 value, rename it, write no auto update, no auto update, no auto update, and then hit enter. Then double click on this, and in value data you need to type 1 and base hexadecimal, it's okay. Then press OK button. You successfully disable Windows Auto Update.
Today, we demonstrated how to stop Windows automatic updates. We hope you all find it useful. Subscribe to this channel for more computer-related tips and solutions. You will find a lot of information here related to computer solutions. So this for today, see you in the next video.